Are you making one of these three trust planning mistakes? First, we're picking the wrong person for your trustee, someone who's unreliable, doesn't have the competency or capability to serve in that role, or maybe is older than you and isn't likely to be around much longer than you, maybe not even survive you. Picking the wrong trustee means the money is going to be invested in the wrong way. We may make inappropriate distributions of trust principal along the way. They may not have the ability to understand and administer the trust according to its terms, and we may be jeopardizing money, the assets themselves, for creditor attachments or overstepping the bounds of how the trust is supposed to work. The second is not fully funding the trust, right? Usually we create revocable trusts to provide a probate avoidance mechanism or to create a specific set of rules that are supposed to apply to how assets transfer from our ownership and are held on behalf of our beneficiaries. If we don't fund the trust, then the trust doesn't control anything, or it becomes funded through probate, which was something that we created the trust to avoid. So not funding it means it doesn't apply to anything. And the third is going to be either overly restrictive trust terms or maybe overly vague or outright distribution provisions. It's a misstep in the trust terms itself. It's not really thinking about how the trust will provide a benefit to your beneficiaries and how they should receive a benefit. What's going to be in their best interest in terms of what they're able to produce for themselves through their own efforts, the assets and income that they otherwise have available to them, or the protection from unknown things that may happen in the future, like a divorce, a financial creditor, or heaven forbid they get in an accident that they're at fault for. It's jeopardizing the protection of the assets that you otherwise worked your entire life for. So if you're going to do trust planning, make sure we're doing it right with the end in mind. What are we actually trying to accomplish? And then we are implementing that strategy with ongoing support and advice. It's time to take control of your legacy. Click the link below to start the process.